welcome right back here on Amy. I've definitely had a little bit of time scrubbing and cleaning because this thing has been rather disgusting. So just some microfiber and a little brake clean, getting stuff cleaned up, get all the heavy gook off, and then we're gonna mist it with the correct blue, just to kind of, well, we gotta paint the water pump either way, but just to kind of spruce her up a little bit. I know she's not gonna be perfect or 100%, but it's gonna look a lot better than it did when we started. Definitely gotta get that painted. So, got about round 2 of cleaner on there. I'm gonna clean everything, gonna kind of gently mist our paint to this side, work our way out here towards the front, because I do have to get the water pump like I stated. And I'll get the outer edges of the heads, and by then we should be ready to start assembly. Right, a little cleaning, a light mist of paint. She is looking a million times better already. Light years better already. There's a little bit of cleanup of overspray we're gonna have to do, but she is a million times better than she was just an hour ago.